Are you looking for a great landscape company? One that can service all of your needs? Well, look no further. Contact West Georgia's most used landscape company, WINN PRO Turf Management, where we specialize in lawn care maintenance, weed control and fertilization, landscape and hardscape projects, forestry and land clearing, and commercial ground maintenance. Or you can sign up and become one of our VIP Platinum customers. Contact our office where our customer service specialist will be glad to assist you. Our office phone number is 770-415-1131, or you can visit our website for more details, www.winnproturfmanagement.com. Always remember, your first impression is always your last impression. Go green, WINN Pro.